This is a premium car electric kettle from the brand Oshoto. Inner layer is made up of food grade stainless steel material which is safe to be used with hot and cold beverages. It comes with auto shut off button, anti-slip bottom and good grab handle to easily carry anywhere. On the top it has air pressure release valve that you can use while boiling the water. It comes with universal socket to connect this electric kettle to your car. Make sure your car engine is running while using this product. It easily fits into any cup holder of the car. Just press the on button and wait for few minutes and your coffee is ready to be served. It has a spill-proof design and also preserves the temperature of liquid for a longer period of time. You can use this to boil water, make tea, coffee, noodles and many other hot beverages. So next time when you travel on a long highway trips, don't forget to keep this mini electric kettle in your car. Thanks for watching the video.